What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this morning update video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. Guys, we are seeing a green candle today on the news of, well, upgrade again coming up from Morgan Stanley for no reason, but it's just again part of market manipulation. If you have seen my Tesla video this morning, you already know how bad market manipulation can happen, right? And again, that's the part of the game. That's all good. We'll take a look at the technicals, how technicals are now making Nvidia to do what it is doing, and how shall we prepare ourselves from here. So in this video, we'll talk about all of that. I'll be sharing a lot of the information that you need to make your decisions here. I play no role and no part in your decision-making process. I'm only sharing my opinion, how I'm trading the market, how I'm reading the market, that's all. Take it just as an educational content, okay? And hit the like, subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful. Now, this being the morning update, I'll do another video when the market has closed on Nvidia. Not just on Nvidia, on Tesla as well. All in all, the market is a bit down as well today. Nvidia is up. Why so? Junior Trader, what is going on with Nvidia? Well, so Morgan Stanley said, hey, forget it. No, Nvidia is going to $1,000. What are you guys doing? You know, this thing gonna go to the moon. So again, guys, you know, if you have seen my Tesla morning video, you would know, but it's just guys still trying to pump it up Nvidia, but that's what it is. That's the, you know, how it is done. So it's shifting to some technicals. So in this video, we'll talk about that. So, but where we were until now on Nvidia is this blue box is where we came, right? And I talked about that. This is where it's the last showdown. If bulls want to roll it up back again, this is the zone they have to do it, okay? And they have to change the price structure to the upside. Then there were some levels for that. We'll talk about that. If Morgan Stanley would not have done the upgrade, Nvidia would have been continued to go lower, because we had some in the consumer data that came in hot that led also the market, you know, in the downside. But Morgan Stanley had its, you know, target set on it. But there technically also things are working out. If you would be trading technically, you can still trade Nvidia technically. So we'll go through that in this video. So are we in the bullish territory already, Junior Trader? Is the Nvidia gonna go straight up? So since the box is holding down there, you can see, Junior Trader, this is the box you were saying, and now bulls are holding this box. It is good green candle. Is it bullish? So let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, guys. So we'll have to go to the hourly interval. And now, yes, technically, what are we looking at here? So Nvidia was in the downtrend, right? Lower highs, lower lows constantly, right? We are below 20 days moving average as well. Now, I was talking about this level of 862, the significant level. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. Now, this lines are part of my levels marking in tool is one of my, you know, part of my indicator as well. Now, what we are seeing is that this is the area I was talking, that if Nvidia can get above 862, it will start to change the structure, yes, in the favor of the bulls. And we are getting that today. Now, and not just that, it's a, you know, based off of the upgrade or whatever, that has moved the market definitely. That's why these analysts comes in to manipulate, shift the direction of the market, right? We formed a double bottom in the technicals on the intraday, okay, and at the same time we have broken out of the structure of 862 that I was saying, that if Nvidia stays below it, it is still bearish in the rebound. But since it did a clean breakout in the price action, and the price action is showing support, it's the beginning of the change of structure in the direction of the bulls. And you can see this thing is already, look at it, for 4 hours it has been finding support down there, right? So it is holding that area. You can see the wicks forming, the body is going up. Now, if Nvidia closes above 862, yes, it has changed its direction for tomorrow as well. You can expect some upside to come. Now, until where can this upside come? 891 has again become a possibility on Nvidia to the upside. Yes, that's the thing. Is it fully bullish now, Junior Trader? Is it a swing bullish play? I would not put it towards being swing bullish. I would more say intraday bullish it has already become, and it has been giving those moves. And you already know this if you have seen my yesterday video. This was the level you were watching, 862. And we got a really good price action support there as well. So not swing bullish though, because we are still below 200 hours moving average. If we can get out of it, sure, we can talk some more swing upside. We are also below 20 days moving average still on the daily interval. Let it load. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, sometimes when I do the videos, guys, it just sometimes takes a while. Here we go. I don't know. I think I need a newer computer. All right. So yeah, we are still below 20 days moving average. So if you have seen my videos for a long time by now, I call between 20 and 50 days moving average a zone of sandwichness, okay? So we are not swing bullish on Nvidia. Intraday, as I said, yes, we are getting in that direction. So let's go to the 5 minutes interval. It's very important to see where Nvidia closes, above 862 or below 862. So on 5 minutes, you can clearly see the same level. Now I'm showing you that consolidation and the support of that level at 862 and 59 cents. Look at it. Once we broke out of it, Nvidia is just not giving it up. And I'm pretty sure my day trading bot as well on Nvidia has opened the position today. So let's see. Yep. Oh, one profit target is already taken as well, but this was the buy position. Look at it. Look at the money here, guys. On the left hand side, you can see the data. Looking great, guys, right? Last 30 trades data on through the bot. I have, as I said, 2 trading bots and 2 indicators and Wall Street alerts. Links to my tools are in the description below. Okay, so looks like we'll have a good profitable day on day trading bot as well. So anyways, yeah, so that's Nvidia, guys. That's Nvidia for you for today. And yeah, let's see if it closes above 862 or below 862. That will be definitely a defining factor, and I'll talk about it, as I said, in later when the market has also closed. And we'll see if Morgan Stanley and other analysts, because there's always a chain reaction. Are other analysts gonna come out now? Did they already come out yet? Not quite yet. So yeah, not quite yet. So who knows? They will come out tomorrow. They will all come in sequence, right? Slowly and slowly, 1 upgrade, 2 upgrades. They will push by upgrade, right? They'll push it. On Tesla, on the downgrade, they come right away because they were getting desperate to push it lower. Because I showed you a lot of data, guys. Check out my Tesla video this morning that I did. I showed a lot of data how analysts are manipulating it to make money on their puts that they already opened, and price started to go against them. So they're coming up with so many downgrades to, not let their puts expire, right? Worthless. So check that video out in the morning that I did on Tesla. Very important. So yep, guys, that's for Nvidia. I'll do another video on AMD, but I talked about this flush coming in today, and we are getting that almost. We are preparing for it, another move lower. So I'll talk about it later in another video, and other stocks that I'll be doing with you, discussing today later. And let's take a look at QQ and SPY. So QQ again is in the distribution phase, guys. This is not going to come out of it, in my opinion. We are looking weaker day by day. We are just about to lose everything to the downside, guys. Yeah, this thing is going down. SPY is also marking the distribution phase. I have been calling out it, right? Yep, it's just taking its time, okay? But this drop is, I think, just my opinion, going to be a big drop here, guys. And once we lose 50, we can fall to 477. Like, once we lose this 50 days moving average, yeah, 477, we can fall down there. Well, guys, that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, valuable, most importantly, I want to talk about Nvidia, then hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.